Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. In my previous video, I show you how to do the 3-point turn. Today I'm going to show you how to do the reverse parallel parking. This is also one of the tasks which LTO can ask you to perform in stage 1. So let's begin, and during the parking I'll show you what you need to do and what you need to look. So I'm going to do the reverse parallel parking. There is a car in front of us. So let's begin. So whenever LTO asks you to do the reverse parallel parking behind whichever car, first thing what you need to do, you need to give signal left and you need to park your car beside the car, match mirror to mirror, more than half meter and less than 1 meter. And after that, put gear to reverse. Next step, move your steering halfway left and then look at your both right and left mirrors. After that, look your central mirror, and just before you reverse your car, look at back of the window. If all clear, let's proceed. So release the brake slowly, and after that keep looking your blind left mirror. Go slowly and gently and keep your feet on the brake so you can stop the car when you need it. Now before approaching the gutter line, stop your car. After that, steering all the way right until get lock. So when you get lock on the right side, after you need to give the signal again left, because signal will get cancelled. Then again look at your blind spot mirror again and release your brake and go slowly. And now you can see car is straight. After that, steering, make it straight. So 1.5 and put your gear to drive. Now we are a bit far from the front car, so we go forward until we can see base of the tire. And now we far enough. And now I can check my car is close to the gutter line. Close to the gutter line. Yep. And then I'm satisfied with my parking. I put the gear to parking now and handbrake on and cancel my signal. So guys, we're done with the parking. So guys, you need to remember some of the things for this parking. First thing, you will have 2 minutes to complete this parking, and you can reverse your car maximum 7 meters from your front car. Second thing is, when you park your car beside the car, match mirror to mirror and keep your car more than half meter and less than 1 meter away. because if you park your car more than 1 meter away, it means you're blocking the road. Second, when you're starting your parking, check your both mirrors, rear mirror and back of the mirror. Make sure you check all the blind spot. And when you're reversing your car, keep looking your blind spot mirror. When you're about to touch the gutter line, then stop your car. And after that, steering all the way right. Next step, when you're turning your steering all the way right, your signal will get cancelled. So make sure you give signal again left. And after that, when you park your car, keep 1 meter gap from the front car. Otherwise, when you're able to see the base of the tires. I hope you enjoyed this video and you get some tips. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.